They are making the land for to put the paddy. The soil is putting upside down from the tractor now. You saw the other thing is that is not see the flocks of bird that is around that going on. They really identify the sound the tractor is doing this, and their feast is we know that upside down the feast now. Feast is coming out. The flocks of birds are not only here. Sometimes lot birds. I don't know, but anyhow, there is also about more than 100. Nice scene. They are not afraid of the tractor also because they have a good relationship with that man. Their feast is up now. You see, it's a nice one. only 3 times when they are doing the paddy field only we can see this scenario. Some have been signed because now they're full with but they don't want to leave. They are greedy. Okay, chalo, bye.